And then I use 1/4 of a cup of almond butter. And I'll tell you, I tried it with peanut butter, not the same. You want the almond butter, okay? So that gets...
that almond butter.
Yes, tell them about that almond butter. It is the
Where is the
best.
jar? Here it is. Okay, I get to say I introduced this to Kim a couple years ago. This is a good friend of mine and her husband started this company just a couple years ago. If you're in Georgia or the Southeast, you can call it local because it's made in Atlanta. And okay, you know how like the way to test something, we need to be reading labels. The fewer ingredients usually signifies the better. The ingredients in this almond butter, this is the honey roasted, is going to be, there's so few I can't even find it. Roasted almonds, honey, and sea salt.
Yeah.
And their original is roasted almonds and sea salt. And I just absolutely love it. Of course, you can get this at New Life, but they are growing by leaps and bounds. It is so good. You eat it with a spoon. In our house, we eat it with a spoon.
It's
amazing. And there's limits.
Yeah, there is limits because you could go overboard.
You're not allowed to eat the whole thing.
That's why it's good
in my house.
That's why it's good to put it in things like this so that you don't overeat it. But that is the best almond butter I've ever tasted.